I'd like to welcome you to another Kali Tutors tutorial session. In this tutorial session, I'd like to introduce you to our application. This application can only be found on Google Play, and it is only for Android phones. So for those of you who are using iPhones or Huawei or other models, I'm really sorry guys, we do not have an application for you as yet, but in the future we are going to make an attempt to make sure that everyone gets to access our application. Okay, so with this application, the aim is to make life easier for you guys who are doing most of the modules that we teach. Okay, so one of the cool features of this application is that if you are doing accounting or mathematics, we've got some really interesting tools. For accounting, we've created a simple calculator to help you calculate the VAT exclusive amount and the VAT amount. You simply type in your VAT inclusive amount. For example, if the VAT inclusive amount is 1,725 Rand and your VAT rate is 15%, once you click calculate, you'll get the VAT amount is 1,500 and the VAT exclusive amount is 1,500 and the VAT amount is 225 Rand. If you were given the VAT inclusive amount, if you want to calculate the VAT inclusive amount and the VAT amount, and you are only given the VAT exclusive amount, for example, in this case, let's say the VAT exclusive amount is 1,500 and the VAT rate is 15%, we expect the VAT inclusive amount to be 1,725. Okay, and that is exactly what you get, and so on. So if you want to calculate the cost price, but you are given the selling price and the markup percentage on cost, you can calculate that as well. If you're given if you want to calculate the selling price and you're given the cost price and you know the markup percentage, you can calculate that as well. If you want to calculate the cost of sales and net purchases, you can calculate that. In most assignments, you'll get this question here. In most cases, it's worth 3 marks. So you'll be given the inventory at the beginning, the purchases, your purchases returns, settlement discount, inventory drawings, and so on. I'll show you how to use this when we are doing assignments. Okay, this will make your lives easier. Okay, you can also calculate the gross profit if you are given the sales returns, settlement discount granted, and so on. Okay, remember, in terms of your cost of sales, you don't have to have all the information, but there is key information that must be provided. Okay, for example, if you don't have a settlement discount received, you can leave that as blank or type a 0. It will give you the correct calculations. Okay, so that's basically what you can do in terms of the accounting side. In terms of mathematics, we focus on 2 graphs, your parabola and your linear graph. Okay, if you know the general equation of the parabola, you can type the value of a here. Let's say our a is 1, the value of b, let's say our b it's 5, and let's say our c is 6. Okay, it will plot the graph for you. For example, in this case, you can see you have got your nice parabola, and then it will give you the general equation, and you need to note that if you were typing this one will not be included in your final answer, but we are showing you that our a is 1, so we do incorporate the a in this example here. So you'll get your intercepts. It will show you how to calculate your intercept, how to calculate the turning point, and also provide you with a summary, your turning point, intercept, and your discriminant. Okay, so this information is very important when you are dealing with parabola graphs. Okay, let's say you are given a straight line. Okay, if you've got a question where you need to deal with a straight line, normally you'll either be given 2 points or a point and a gradient or the equation. whichever you're given, you can plot the graph here. Let's say your x1 is 1, your y1 is 1, your x2 is 6, and your y2 is 7, and then you click on print graph. Okay, so you'll get your graph and the equation at the bottom here. Okay, so that is basically some of the features that you do have. Let's go back and focus on your financial mathematics. If you are busy with financial mathematics, you can do your amortization scheduling here. You'll write your present value. Let's say you've got 150,000, and you're told that this loan was amortized over a period of 5 years, and the interest rate, let's say it's 9.8%, and then you select compounding. It's compounded monthly. If you click on generate schedule and wait, it will give you the complete amortization schedule. Okay, in most assignments, especially QMI or BNU, you will be required to provide information related to amortization scheduling. Okay, in terms of your compound interest, if you are supposed to calculate for the value of S, which is the interest plus your original amount, you can calculate that. You will provide the time here in years, the percentage, let's say it's 10%, and then the principal amount, let's say it was 1,500, and it's compounded monthly. You click on this and then you click calculate. Once you click calculate, it will provide you with an explanation of what is going on here, and also provide you with the final answer. Okay, in this case you see that our S, which is the accumulated amount, is going to be 24,679 rand and change. Okay, and the explanation of how to calculate that will be provided here. You will also do the same for P and the other inputs as well. This is really helpful, guys. So I hope you are going to master how to use these tools to actually improve your marks. So if you are interested in calculating the area of a rectangle or determining its perimeter, we do have tools for that as well. You can use different units. For example, if you want your answer to be in centimeter square, millimeter square, and so on, and then you know the length and the breadth, we can use whatever unit that you're given here, and then it will calculate your area using the correct unit. Okay, so that's basically some of the features that you'll get in this tool. Okay, if you are interested in only using our lessons, you can use this application to join the membership. I've included this feature because there are a lot of students who are struggling to actually join our membership. Okay, so this tool is going to make it easy for you to simply click on this button, and then it will lead you to the page where you can join the membership. Remember, all membership is processed by YouTube. We do not receive funds directly to our account, so you have to do that through YouTube. Okay, so if you click on this different section, you'll get lessons. Okay, but at the moment I don't think this is structured accordingly. So in some of this here you won't get videos, but we are going to use this application to decide on how to place the different videos, so that next time when you click on the different links here, you get the appropriate lessons. Okay, I think just download the app and you'll see all these features. Just play with it, and please guys, if you've got questions, do not hesitate to ask, or if you would like us to include other features, okay, or calculators to do other tasks, just let me know. I'll do that myself, because I'm actually the one who programmed this, who did everything. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. Okay.